Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you guys doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I'm doing great, okay, by the mercy of Almighty Allah. So in this video I am going to tell you why you should be connected with nature. Nature, guys, the natural beauty is gifted from our God, Almighty Allah. So that's why you never get this type of peace when you are connected with nature. So you can see most of this video I am connected with nature. When we are in natural environment. That environment give us a fresh oxygen, fresh mind. So sometimes everyone should spend some time with natures, and as well as you can see, still I'm in front of you, and behind me everywhere is fulfill of natures, and so this environment is really important for everyone. So when we can see greenness, that it enhance your eyes powers. It can, when you look in a green scenery, green trees, any kind of green environment, that will help you to see comfortably. It will give you the powers your eyes, okay. So it is, I think, blessing our Almighty Allah. So those guys can see, when those guys belong in village, this person have a huge opportunity to see any attached with the, like, natural beauty, natural things. So that's really, you can, guys, those guys, if you are staying in city area, or the city area, then you haven't this type of opportunity to get natural beauty, okay. But you have, when you will be free, must you should visit your place, must you should visit some natural areas. If we are belong in city area, we have huge advantage, like a good place. But we never get, we can see there are here and here building many kind of advantage, but not this type of natural beauty, okay. So by the way, I'm saying that, I'm saying, guys, I love to say talk in randomly, but if I saying randomly, but in this talk, in this whole talk, whole discussions, I am sharing a message that is really we should observe, guys. Is still, we are connected with the advantage, like, advantage is kinda like, um, a good advantage, as well as it is such, like, if I say the advantage, it can be bike, and mobile phone, computer, laptop, this type of, we are trying to get this thing. But guys, when we are driving, we are randomly, I can see some boys, they are driving, so they are spending this time, their time, by driving, so riding motorcycle, bike. So after that, I can see a lot of, they they are fall down, and they lost their hand, like, they are, some of our time. So that's why I'm saying that when we will be connected with nature, when we will be able to get natures, then we can spend some times, and we will be our mind will be peaceful, comfortable, and we can get peace from here. That's why I'm saying that sometime we should connect with natural environments. That gonna better, that is better than this type of advantage, okay. We know that we should get some advantage, but every advantage has the two sides. One is better, one is bad, awful, so still, we have mobile phone, we have laptop, we have internet, we have computer. We are used to use that, and a period of time we spend there. But for that, we are day by day losing our eyes powers. So if we are connected with nature, we can get refreshment, we can get this type of environment. So that's why I'm saying, okay. So we should also use mobile phone for collecting new knowledge. We should get advantage, we should be advantage, but at least spend some time with the blessing our Almighty Allah. It is the created our through our Almighty Allah. So natural way it is created. So that's why I'm saying, okay. By the way, so this message I'm sharing, never forget out and never stop learning. Okay, I'm saying in English that gonna be help you to learn also, as well as guys, I'm also practicing like you. So that's why today I'm in front of you. By the way, so be healthy, be be a honest person, try to be help sorry, try to be at least a good person, manner person, and help each others who is belong beside you. It can be your parents or neighbors or relative. Everyone should love your parents, neighbors, or who is belong beside you. And be soft-hearted, okay. When you will be soft-hearted, you can do anything, whatever you can see, and whatever you can see, everyone will be better to on your eyes, okay. So when you are the hard-hearted person, then you can't get the spiritual relations. You can't get a good person. You when we are bad minded, we are bad thinkers, then we never get the good things, a good person, good for making friendship or any kind of relationship. So at least we have to be at first good person, mannered person, okay. So then you will be able to get good opportunity to shine in your life. So that's all for now. See you in the another video. I hope this video will help you to understand what I'm trying to say, okay. So that's all for now. Bye. Allah Hafiz.